We had this incredible opportunity to work at Green Power Studios. They have a massive LED wall. It allowed us to change up the background seamlessly, so we were able to teleport our entire cast into different worlds and dimensions that we would put on the background.
I'm Phil Galasso. I am the Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Green Power Studios. Virtual production is so new, so getting to try different things, getting to work with stunt performers, try out all these cool new backgrounds, it just sounded really exciting.
LED screens are virtual environments. Seems like you're there, but it's all digital, but it's interactive.
With an LED screen, we see everything as it is happening. You can interact with it, knowing exactly what it looks like without having to wait for post.
My name's David Goodman, and I am the gaffer. Every setup that we did was a different challenge, and every scene that we did gave the opportunity to do something very creative. I get behind the camera and I'm just like wowed. Everybody else is looking at the monitor, they're wowed.
Hi, my name is Brock Markham. I'm a stunt performer and actor. Being able to bring a large physicality is something that I pride myself in. The most challenging part of the job, maybe having to do certain stunts more than once.
What I'm most excited for today is definitely the fight scene. It involves safety, it involves intricate detail, it involves adapting, problem solving all the time. It's definitely a team effort.
We had an amazing stunt team that puts safety first, but also makes things look incredibly dangerous on screen.
I'm Alex Suarez.
I'm Shannon Fitzpatrick.
And we are the action designers in Futura. My favorite part of the whole shoot was the sequence where Brock punches Courtney, who's playing our femme fatale.
And I said, well, what if on the impact her foot flies up, he grabs her foot and drops it?
Everyone wants this incredible, cool product. And so talking, communicating, figuring out how we can get it. Communication is the key part of that.
Today I am playing the character Garrett, kind of like a time-traveling warrior. And I try to find where I can help out people in their time of need, if they're in danger.
I'm Mason Moreno, and I'm an actress. I play Allie in Futura. I love science fiction. I think it's going to be a fun thing for people to watch.
When you're telling a science fiction story, it really is all about the team. We would not be able to pull this off without any of the people that you see on the screen there.
We get to play the ridiculous announcers who are in charge of making this very grim and horribly obscene thing seem like something fun. It's like Price is Right, but with blood.
I think this film will relate to sci-fi audiences in many ways. And when you see it, you're going to see a lot of production value.
Who doesn't love science fiction? Is there anything other than science fiction? I didn't think so.